this is X09. And a few good parts about it,
it's a performing drone.
Its wings are protected, so no matter how much you bump it, it won't get bad. And it can do flips. That's the funnest part.
Now there's a remote, of course. And the batteries for the remote doesn't come included.
And what battery does it take?
It takes AAA's.
Okay.
And this battery is a rechargeable battery. It's used in many drones.
Okay.
And this guard stuff. There's this special outlet. It's a different plug. It's in many drones. This blinks. And now in this, it comes with this, the drone. The drone battery is included. And inside the box, it also comes a wire. It's the special type of wire that it gets stuck in this.
To recharge the battery.
And there's also a screwdriver for opening this.
Okay.
And a metal like puller for pulling out this. Because it's hard, because then you might pull the wire and it might come bad.
Okay.
Live demonstration of how to do fly a drone, a performance drone. It's an X09. Okay, now here's the remote. Okay, now if you turn it off, you see it's gonna start blinking with this. There's only way that is to turn it off like this. So then you turn it off, and this is rechargeable battery, and they're good guarding. So you get this and put it on. And see how it's blinking really fast? Then you turn on your walk thing, it's gonna start blinking like that too. Now, if you see right here, you have to go up, down, and it stops blinking and that stops blinking. See, that stops and you go up and down with this one, and it stops blinking. Then you go like this. It has a altitude detector, it stops it like that. And how to tune it. Like for tuning, you need to go like this. Like this. Look, see? If it goes too much that way, then you can press right. So it's gonna go better. I don't want to mess with the tuning, it's gonna go better.
Here comes another one.
And here's landing. Now landing, you have to press this. For landing on this, you have to press this. See, like this. So, you see, now, here let me show you how demonstration of flips. 1, 2, 3. So, you hear that? 1, 2, 3, and here. Now let's see again. Oh shoot, so if it goes like this, turns backwards like this really fast, then it falls. So, but when it does a flip, it does it really, really fast, so it doesn't go forward. And if you go up and down again, if it starts moving. Those are the Oh shoot, and there's 3 modes. There's 2, and this is fastest mode, see? That's what doing flips. Okay, it's gonna fall. And you can do like triple flips, lots of flips. I love flips.
Okay.
Oh shoot. Bad. Oh.
You don't even see it again. It's right there. Up on the tree. Can you fly out of there, Sitaj?
I'm messing up everything.